Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. And yes, I have been missing in action, so you probably haven't seen a video from me for a while. So, long story short, I've been on and off sick, kind of in and out of the hospital, but things are doing okay. Still have a few more procedures to go, but hopefully it'll be done. I'll be back to filming and going on vacations. So, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like this video and its content. And please hit that subscribe, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. So, as the thumbnail said, it's Jeffree Star unboxing. I have obviously not been unboxing, and they've just been stacking up. I canceled pretty much most of my boxes till I can catch up, but I have probably 2 or 3 Jeffree Stars, a couple FabFitFuns, and I'm sure you've seen it all before because everybody else has unboxed it. So please forgive me. In between all these health issues, I did manage to go to Cabo for 10 days, and that was amazing. It was fun. We stayed at a hotel like right on the beach there, the ocean front, so I didn't have to walk far. We just went up and down. They had all the sellers, trying to sell us everything. So it was a lot of fun. And I'll keep you updated on all my trips because I do have a lot planned. So let's get into the unboxing. I think this Jeffree Star was like a summer. It was like $75, and it was their spring or something sale. So of course I bought it, and you don't get to pick what bag. And of course I got this very loud green bag. So it'll be good to keep things in. It'll be great for traveling. And it actually has a nice front pocket there. So it's not awful. I'm just not a bright green kind of person. But it is filled with amazing items. Again, I think I paid $75, and I maybe had to pay like $10 in shipping. And the first thing that I received was an eye gloss. I have like a ton of these, and I sell on Mercari and Poshmark. I'll leave my links below because there's no way I can possibly use all this makeup. So I do post a lot of my Jeffree Star that I don't use. It's brand new in the box on those websites. And it's a powder eye gloss. And this color is Brain Freeze. And of course, it's taped. And let's see what color. I'm imagining it's a blue. I'm sure I probably have it already, but it comes very nicely packaged. And it is, I don't want to but there's the color. And I do love the texture of his products. The lippies don't get involved with the drama, could care less. So that's the first item, and I think these retail for like $12. The next thing is the Peach Bubble Gum, and it's their liquid blushes. And I have been practicing on how to use these because I watch a lot of the YouTubers, their Get Ready With Me channels, and how to apply makeup, especially like a liquid on your cheeks, on your eyes. And it's not easy for me, but it's such a pretty color. Just shaking it up to see if you can see that. So this is Pink Bubble Gum. And that's the next item, and I don't know what they retail for, maybe $15, $18. And this is a pop socket, and I probably won't put this on my phone. I have the thing that clicks to my car. So there's only so many things you can put on your phone. Oh my God, so many items in here. And then we have a matte finish, can't even read this, beach proof eyeliner in the color Cool Down. And I don't have any of these since I haven't unboxed for a while, so. See, wow. That's what it looks like. Don't know if I can open it without breaking it. Wow. So, oh, that's the color. I don't know if it comes that high or but that's an eyeliner. I would definitely have to practice. It looks blue-purple to me. So, but it's very nice. I have no clue what that retails for. And then of course he always throws in these single shadows. And I have Wyoming and I have Punk Couture. And I have, oh my God, there's like 6 in here, I think. Freak Show. You just gotta love how people name their products. Not just him, but overall. And then we have a Yak Farm. Can't even hold all these. And then we have a Supreme Gloss in the color Queen Supreme. Obviously fits me very well, but I don't do reds. Red is one lipstick that I can't wear. I keep into the mauves, the browns, and I can't open this, so I'm not sure what color it's going to be. Maybe the bottom will be better. They do package these very well, but if I can get a color of this, when I edit, I will put that on there. And then we have some of his skincare. So this is Jeffree Star Skincare, the Creamy Star Milk Leave-On Mask. Oh, so maybe you put this on at night and then just leave it on so you don't have to wash it off. So everybody that does Mask Mondays, it's an easy mask. You just put it on and you don't have to take it off. And then we have more lippies. We have the Liquid Star. Oh, this looks like it's a shadow and it's got a scorpion on it. So perfect for Arizona. And it's all packaged so nice. I'm not going to take it out, but that's the color. And see if I can. Scorpio Sand. So it would fit right in my backyard here. And then we have a, oh my God, there's so many goodies in here. We have a hydrating glitz lipstick in, can't read it. I guess if I wasn't lazy, I'd put my glasses on, but. And it's one of his bullet lipsticks, so those are really nice, and they usually snap, so it just snaps together, at least it used to. And wow, this is the color. So I don't know what that's gonna look like, but I could probably get away with that, but I can't read the color. It is, I don't know if I have it upside down. Oh, I think it's Orgasm. So that's the color of that one, but it's very pretty. And there's still more in here. There's a few more of these single shadows. We have a Scene Queen, which is a red. And then we have a Glamour Shot, which is like a creamy color, so that would be a good color. So yeah, we did get 6 of those in there, and I have no idea what those sell for, probably $4 or $5. And then there's, oh, there's the wristband, the Jeffree Star wristband. And when we went to Cabo, we stayed at kind of a, I wouldn't call it an all-inclusive, but you had to wear those little bands on your wrists, so it kept bugging me. I just kept wanting to pull that thing off, so I'm not very good at wearing bracelets. And then we have the big item. And oh, it's a mirror, and it matches the bag. It's a little travel hand mirror. But look at the color. So it definitely kind of goes with this, and I think you could get silver, or there were like 3 choices, but I couldn't pick them. So we got, to me, the hand mirror, which is great. We got 6 of these single shadows. I'm looking forward to the mask. And we got the eye gloss, we got some lippies, and we got this, make sure there's nothing else in there. And we got this great makeup bag with the pocket. So again, I paid probably with the shipping like $85, and I definitely received $85. Wish it had a little handle on it so I can carry it around. But it would be very good for vacation. So what do you think? So I do have like 3 or 4 more Jeffree Star unboxings, as I said. I have a ton of unboxings. I know they're from months ago, but it's the soonest I can get to them. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe, like, and I just love comments. So please leave comments, and I'm back. So I will see you the next video.